You want to talk about your little playpen area?
Part of Kate's morning routine is she likes to walk around the house, she likes to explore, and at her age, I want nothing more but her to do just that. Currently, because Kara is so little, we actually sleep in separate rooms. The room that Kate is sleeping in is my main master bedroom. Kate is actually walking toward the room that I'm taking care of Kara in, and that is one of our guest rooms, the Stephanie room.
No, let's go.
Often on days that I wake up a little bit later and Daddy is home taking care of Kate, she would literally just, knock on the door and let herself in and give me a hug. Today I am up before she is, and Kara is actually napping in her crib while I'm washing the sheet on this bed. Being a mother of two, it has been pretty hard, but I do love the experience, and it really helps that I have my sister here to help me in the process.
Oh my god.
Kate being a very active child, you literally need more than one people to just watch her. And as she's growing, the house has to constantly change just to fit her needs. So oftentimes it isn't just me getting bored of looking at the same kind of decor or, arrangement. It's really because I constantly watch out for what she might need, space-wise anyways.
No. What are you doing? Wanna go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kate. Kate. Hey. Kate. Hi, I see you. I see you, cuckoo. Peekaboo.
Now that Kate is playful and fine, it's time to take care of Kara, and as you can see, the bed is fully done and clean.
Today's your morning routine. Are you ready? Yeah, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready too. Huh. Ah. Yeah. Again? Again? Yeah. You ready? You ready? You ready? Yeah, you are ready. Come on, let's go here. Hi. Hi there. Want to talk to me?
Now that Kara's about to take her next nap, it's time for my husband and I to clean this room out. We are renovating this room into the kids' toy room. He is finally done breaking down the bed and it's time to put all of the Christmas decor away. Let's get started.
You help me?
Katie, baby. like it like the mat. Like it like the mat. Hello? What you upset about? Hmm? There's plenty of toys. Who? 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 Look at all the toys. Look at all your toys. This one? No, chase me, Casey? You're forever grabbing things to bite, huh? I think it's almost out of battery. You play with it too much. Are you being a micromanager? No. Come on, baby. Let's watch TV. Let daddy work. Now you can't climb the stairs no more.
Big mark on it.
So since I kind of want it like right here-ish.
That's one.
And then...
It's good to have them all the same distance.
No, it's not. Because they're different bags. Let's do this one here.
The final.
One up there.
Okay. I'll take it from there. Go there or you have to go downstairs?
No, I'll have to put my video live and then I'll take her down.
So you're gonna be up here then? Right?
Yeah. I gotta close my stuff. No, this one you have to snap in, you said.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Katie, come here. Let's go. Katie. This is the workroom. It does need some help. We're moving that down and this whole place will open up. It will look completely different soon. It's a little bit messy right now.
deployment plan. He's going to plant 100,000 acres of cotton and let the rest sort itself out. And like blackface would associate with traditional Southern Democrat tendencies, even unto and including the. I'm pro-choice. But one thing that the anti-choicers have said, which is actually because they wanted to have the white middle and upper class be removed from office. Control the House and Senate. Apparently, now somebody expressed a theory on 4chan the other night that I fantasized. One of these people or more, this happens to be like really religious, and they're like, "Oh shit, our governor's the Antichrist," and then they, sort of tongue-fisted. So it's funny that it wouldn't have happened with the gun control laws. People more religious, they tend to be more pro-gun. They should have, really, if you have dirt on some high-level people, it'd be funny if you were sitting on it. It's like how many celebrities have like sex tapes and shit, and you can be assured that they're the real bigot. Gillespie, meanwhile, he doesn't talk about the issue because he drinks in them. Yeah, I wonder what those jokes are fucking like. So North of
and taking pictures and smiling and laughing, holding a gun next to a person who's a victim. Yes, some people might think it's fine, but many people might be like, dude, that is inappropriate, you can't do that.
Now that'll get you going, man. 100 people.
After a long, hard day, it is now finally time to go out. It's my friend's birthday, and we have been skipping out on so many social events that my husband is making sure that we actually go out today and just have a good time. If you haven't joined our family, don't forget to do that by subscribing. And if you're already part of this family, don't forget to hit share as well as like the video. Don't forget to turn the bell for notification when the newest video come out. And if you enjoyed this video, here are other videos that you may also enjoy. Until next time, xin chào!